She'll be rising. She'll find the note I left hanging on her door. She'll laugh when she reads the part that says I'm leaving, 'cause I've left that girl so many times before. By the time I make Albuquerque, she'll be working. She'll probably stop at lunch and give me a call, but she'll just hear that telephone keep on ringing off the wall. That's all. By the time I make Oklahoma, she'll be sleeping. She'll turn softly